guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, HBM. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always sticking around. Thank you very much for always loving me. I love you too. Okay, so guess what I'm holding. Before I show you how I made this, if you've not subscribed to HBM Uche channel, kindly quickly run and go and subscribe to that channel, because guess what, on that channel it's all about entrepreneurship vlog, how I build my business life. So if you know you also want to join my club, you also want to join my hustling square, kindly go and subscribe to that channel, so that at least whenever I drop anything concerning entrepreneurship vlog, my business vlog, I always drop videos that will educate you on how you can actually sell your skincare product online. Not only skincare product, even if you're selling any form of product, be it clothes, shoes, any form of product, how you can sell them online, how you can make sales online. It's all what I do on that channel. So that channel is all about entrepreneurship, motherhood, beauty tips, and lifestyle, like so many DIYs that I don't do here, but I do them on that channel, and I'll be bringing more on that channel. And guess what, I'll be dropping so many recipes there for free, because I really want to help women like me build up also. Let us grow together, let's hustle together. That is if you want. Okay guys, let me tell you about this oil. This is turmeric brightening oil. It's been long I've wanted to make this oil, but thank God I finally made this oil today. So I'm gonna be telling you a little bit about this oil. This is turmeric brightening oil. Turmeric oil is very good for soothing and calming your skin. It helps in clarifying your skin. It helps to heal your acne, your pimples, because of the medicinal content in it. It also helps in evening out your skin tone by brightening up your complexion, and again it also helps in repairing bleached skin. So if you know that you've been bleaching your skin and you've bleached your skin to an extent that even you yourself you hate your skin, please make this oil and start using this oil on your skin. This oil will repair your skin. This oil will regenerate new healthy skins for you. This oil will exfoliate your skin. This oil is gonna repair your skin. Believe me, if you have sunburn, you have melasma, you have rashes, you have wrinkles, if you are an aging woman, you're a matured woman, this oil also helps the elasticity of your skin. It firms your skin. It helps your scalp from dandruffs and every other hair issues you might have. Most of those people who are body massaging therapists or massager if you know that is your work, if you know that is what you do, this oil is very, very good for you, because apart from the brightening properties, this oil is highly medicinal. Now if you're a skincare therapy, you formulate skincare product, of course, oh my god, you want to make sunburn cream, use this oil. You want to make lightening or brightening cream, use this oil. You want to make repair cream or repair oil, use this oil. In fact, let's continue. Let me show you how I made this oil, because if I start talking about turmeric oil from now till night, I might not be able to leave here. So let's dive into the video, guys. So do not forget to go and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I'm gonna drop the link in the description box, and again you will see the tag below this video. So just click on the hashtag HBM, just click on it. It will take you directly to my channel. So go and subscribe to the channel. Drop whatever question you have concerning entrepreneurship, because if you drop any question concerning entrepreneurship here, I'm sorry, I might not be able to answer you, but if you drop it there, definitely that channel is meant for that. So guys, don't let me talk too much, let's dive straight into the video, guys. So guys, let's start making our turmeric brightening oil. Don't mind this glove, the lockdown is affecting everything in Nigeria currently. I couldn't get the smaller hand glove, so I had to dig out my main glove. Right now I'm not finding it easy, but I don't have a choice, so please bear with me if the glove looks so funny. All right guys, for my turmeric oil, I'm using my crock pot. My crock pots tend to make any oil infusion I'm making faster for me. That's why I prefer using my crock pot. So I'll be using my sunflower oil. Here's my sunflower oil. And here is my Indian turmeric. Yeah, this turmeric is different from the normal Nigerian turmeric. Here is my measurement cup. So what I'll be doing first is that I'll have to take this oil per measurements. So right now I'm adding in per cups. I'll have to measure this and see how many cups it gives me before I'll know how many spoons of turmeric powder to add in here. Yeah, so I have 4 cups here. So here is my turmeric powder. So I added in 4 cups of my sunflower oil, 4 spoons of my turmeric powder. So you cover this. My pot is warm already. I actually had to put it on warm before I added in the oils and every other. Before I added in the oils and the turmeric powder. So I'm going to put it back on. Oh, my hand glove is disturbing me. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this on warm. I'm gonna leave it on warm. So I will time it. Yeah, it's on warm and I timed it at 30 minutes. So you can leave it on warm for 30 minutes or 1 hour, but at least it shouldn't exceed 1 hour. So I'm gonna leave it this way, then I'll come back to check my oil when it has finished infusing. After 1 hour, I had to keep this crock pot with the oil aside for 3 days. This is the 3rd day. I want to sieve this right now, then I'll bottle my turmeric oil. You can see the oil. So I'm gonna sieve right now and bottle this because I'll be using this to make a whole lot of products. So I've poured my turmeric oil in the cup so that it will be easy for me to filter. Can you see our oil? Wow, this oil is very, very beautiful. It's looking so attractive. So I'm gonna be pouring my oil here. So this is my turmeric oil, pure turmeric oil, herbal infused turmeric oil. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you very much. Bye.